During the takeoff process, there are many situations in which you call one product and you would desire that the software would automatically call for you additional associated products based on the entries you made for that first one. For example, let's say that we have gone to our roof plan and we've drawn in our roof decking area to get the appropriate number of roof decking sheets. As we make that entry, it would be nice if the software would also call for us our plywood clips, our roofing underlayment, shingles, and maybe even nails. It's for this reason that the kits feature in the PrebuiltML software has been provided. The purpose of the kits feature is to allow a user to make one input and get multiple outputs. And of course, since everyone's business is a little bit different, this all needs to be very flexible and user-defined. When we think about kits, there are two primary categories or types of kits that might be created. The first would be those that have products that are directly related to each other. A great example of this would be deck rail. Here we've drawn out our lineal footage of deck rail. Let's come back over to the list and take a look how this might work. We open our deck pack, come to our deck top rail, and select our product. And we'll make an entry. We could choose to link it to our item, but in this case we'll just make a direct entry of 4 8-footers, 2 6-footers, and 1 10-footer. And as we make that entry and tab through it, notice what we get. Automatically generated for us is our deck rail cap, our deck bottom rail, and even our deck pickets with products and values all associated based on the choices that we have set up and the ratios that we've defined. All of these applications are very closely related to each other, and it's easy to see how they would be part of the same kit. However, a second way in which to make use of the kits feature involves products that are indirectly related, but they share the same measurement or input. A great example of this would be fascia. Here we've traced all of the fascia locations on our plan, but as we look at it, we realize that there is actually a number of different applications that we could use that geometric data, that length, for. So here we are on our list. Again, we'll pick our product for fascia. And again, we could link this to our plan, but in this case, we'll just make an entry of 210 feet. And as we tab through it, note all the different applications, products, and values that we gain from it. Subfascia, eave soffit framing, strap and ties for our H2.5 clips, freeze board, eave flashing, and so on. And you can imagine more that might come from that same measurement. For example, if we wanted to, we could even call gutters from that same fascia measurement. And so in this case, though the applications are not directly related to each other, we can still leverage the KISS feature to have products, applications, and inputs all generated for us. So when it comes to the kits feature, the purpose is to allow you to make one input and have multiple outputs produced for you, thus improving the efficiency of your takeoff process.